This is the last part for chapter 16 on amine, again just the highlights, and we're going to talk about some of the applications where you find those. Those are called alkaloids, naturally occurring nitrogen containing compound that can be isolated from a plant, most of the time a basic, bitter and poisonous. So we must be able to describe some of the sources of alkaloids and some examples. Thousands of alkaloids have been characterized. Bitterness and poisonous nature of those are probably a defense from plants from being devoured by animals. So herbivores can be actually considered as attacking prey such as the plants. Some example right here: atropine, toxic substance of the herb known as deadly nightshade or belladonna, Atropa belladonna, here picture right there, where acts on the central nervous system, properly applied to medication to reduce cramping of the digestive tract. We're going to talk about this a little bit later. Also used as an antidote against nerve gases. An example is against sarin. Very interesting to look at here: potatoes, solanine, found in potatoes and tomatoes. Those come from the same botanical family of the deadly nightshade, the Solanaceae we talked about. And when you look at potatoes, when they're exposed to sunlight or when you store them until under very cold or very warm condition, too extreme, solanine is going to be produced and the level can be dangerous. Just you should be aware that cooking them won't destroy alkaloids, solanine, but you can remove them by peeling. Sunlight also stimulates the formation of chlorophyll under the skin of the potatoes, and that green color that you can see is actually a warning. So I have here an example. If you see that greenish part on your potato, just be careful, peel it off. There's about 20 alkaloids that are present in the poppy seed: morphine, codeine. Those are oily liquids. Of course, we use them for medicinal purposes and pain relief. How did it start? There was a German physician, his name was Paracelsus, and he was able to extract opium into a brandy to produce laudanum. Similar extracts still sometimes prescribed as paregoric or elixir paregoric, more dilute solution of opium combined with anise oil, glycerin, benzoic acid, and camphor relieve the pain. And then finally, just pay attention to this. We go from morphine to codeine to heroin. Heroin does not occur naturally but can be easily synthesized from morphine. Within the body, removal of the CH3 double bond oxygen group, highlighted here in the orange section of the right side of the figure, converts heroin back to morphine, and you do know the uses of morphine as a painkiller.